If you are looking for efficient cooling and heating without the headache of massive utility bills, you have come to the right place. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years in the HVAC trenches, so I look at these systems a little differently than most. I am not just looking at a shiny white box on a wall. I am looking at the engineering, the electrical load, and how long that equipment is going to stay out of my scrap pile. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the premium category head-to-head, the Hitachi airHome 600 series and the Samsung WindFree 3.0i. Let's start with the build quality, because that is what keeps me from having to visit your house on a Saturday. Both of these units come with coated coils, and in the field, we call that a lifesaver. That coating prevents pollutants and salt air from eating away at your heat exchanger, which without it can cause refrigerant leaks in a few years. Hitachi builds the airHome 600 in Japan, while Samsung produces the WindFree 3.0i in South Korea. In my experience, the Japanese manufacturing standards for Hitachi are second to none, and the internal fit and finish feel designed by people who actually take them apart. On the technical side, both of these use full variable speed inverter compressor technology. The Samsung is an efficiency beast at 24.5 SEER2, slightly higher than the Hitachi's 23.0 SEER2. Samsung also wins the quiet game at 46 decibels outdoors compared to Hitachi's 49. However, Hitachi's FrostWash technology is a field-tested advantage because it freezes the heat exchanger to trap dust and then melts it away, keeping the unit cleaner. For the outdoor condenser and a single head, you are looking at about $1,650 for the Hitachi equipment and around $1,900 for the Samsung. Once you factor in a professional installation, the Hitachi usually lands around $4,500, while the Samsung moves closer to $5,000. You are paying a premium for that Samsung WindFree technology, which uses thousands of micro holes to disperse air without a direct draft. It is a great feature, but you have to decide if that comfort is worth the extra $500 on the front end. Before we crown a winner, do not forget your maintenance, because even the best tech fails if you do not wash those filters every few weeks. If you let them clog, that variable speed fan has to work twice as hard, and you will burn out the motor controller long before it's time. When it comes to the warranty battle, Samsung offers a solid 10 years on parts and 10 years on the compressor. But Hitachi steps up with a 12-year compressor warranty alongside their 10 years on parts. Neither offers a full unit replacement in their warranty terms, but that extra 2 years on the heart of the system tells me Hitachi is betting on their Japanese engineering to outlast the competition. The verdict for today is the Hitachi airHome 600 series. While the Samsung is quieter and has that slick wind-free tech, I am picking the Hitachi for the homeowner's bottom line. You are getting a lower initial price point, superior Japanese build quality, and a better warranty on the most expensive part of the system. For $4,500 installed, the airHome 600 gives you better long-term reliability and specialized self-cleaning tech that actually works in the real world. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.